Halfdoc here. I'm out this morning coyote calling with Jason, better known as 35 Whalen from menoutdoors.com. We're in southeastern Saskatchewan. We got that crazy east wind again. You're going to start to think it's always from the east in Saskatchewan. That's when I seem to go hunting. So he's going to teach me how to howl for coyotes. It's something that I've mentioned that I've always wanted to learn, and I don't know how to do it, so he's experienced at it. Do you think we're going to get any today?
Well, try our luck and see what happens.
What kind of howl are you using?
It's a hot dog.
Hot dog?
Is it a hot dog? Little dog.
Little dog. I've got a mini mag howler. To me, he was showing me how that thing worked, and it sure sounded good. Mine, I'm not good with it yet, but with experience from learning off of someone with experience, maybe it'll work for us. So stay tuned and see how we make out here on this windy day in southeastern Saskatchewan. I think the wind got us is what happened there. Your howl definitely works. He's gonna come out over here. I hope so. And just look at the bush line if we can get him there. I'll take him. There he is. Yeah. Okay. Right. Very well. Right. Go hard. Got him? Yeah. Ah, there you go. Did you see that? They weren't coming to the rabbit call at all. They were winding us. That darn wind was swirling. Had two come in. I don't know what kind of footage I got on the two. But Jason, he gave a good howl there, and curiosity killed the dog this time. He made Jason took the shot. I was on the camera. He made a solid 250 probably yard shot on that dog. Cause seen on camera he went down. So we're gonna go over, take a look, see how big a dog we got. Stay tuned. Hey, there you go. Another puppy from here. There we go. Successful call. Another puppy, and he came to that howl. Wanted nothing to do with the rabbit call. This is the same place that I called in one to rabbit call the other day that you seen me harvest. So maybe word traveled around here, don't go to a rabbit. So what are you using for a gun?
270, 90 grain hollow points, hand loads.
Martin's going to be a little bit more excited with this dog here. Even though it's a big big caliber gun. You can see very minimal damage. Well, a little bit of hip damage there, but that's alright. The main thing, as long as the back is intact, that's what a guy needs. That's where the value of the pelt comes from. For us, this is just a good afternoon out. For Martin, this is something he loves to do, and he loves to sell furs, so everyone's going to be happy. So let's see if we can get us another one here on tape.
See you back at the road.
Alright, day 2 of our coyote hunt. It's really windy out, it's cold. They say the wind chill minus 26 Celsius. For our friends south of the border, that's about minus 15 Fahrenheit. The camera is not responding too well to this weather. We actually had a bit of action. A young one came in and he got it, but the camera just wasn't responding well. So we're going to warm it up here. It seems to be working now, so we're going to go retrieve our dog. So stay tuned and we'll let you have a look at this little pup. There you go. So what's going on, Jason? We can only find the pups.
It's all pups in this area of the country, isn't there?
Yeah. So I noticed you switched up guns today.
Yeah, we went to a 22-250, shooting a 55 grain ballistic tip bullet. She performed very well, very well. As you can see, just a small little exit hole, just like we want it.
Martin will be happy.
Very.
Well, we got time for one more set. We're in southeastern Saskatchewan. The sun's fading. Daylight doesn't last long right now at this time of year. It's 5 to 5, and as you can see, it's getting dark. Stay tuned, and maybe we're going to get one more pup to add to our collection. Well, there we go. Best we could do in these adverse conditions. Now that it's evening, the wind has calmed down. It's actually starting to warm up. Of course, when a guy goes back to work, it's supposed to warm up considerably. Oh well, this won't be our last time out chasing coyotes. It's a little bit of video for you all to watch. Unfortunately, our kill today, the camera just didn't want to work with us. That's that Saskatchewan weather for you. Oh well, next days, any luck, weather will be warmer, dogs will be coming, and some good footage had. So tune in again, see how we make out.